Reserve Equipment Group, 4WD, 4-wheel drive, technology package, lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, active park assist, navigation, 360-degree view camera, heavy-duty trailer tow, perfect positioning, massaging, seating, 22-inch premium alloy wheels, plush heated and cooled leather interior, panoramic vista roof, hands-free power liftgate, and much more. New vehicle pricing. Please contact dealer to see if you qualify for additional dealer discounts, factory incentives, and factory rebates. Prices do not include G8 of tag, title Georgia lemon law fee, $56.95 electronic tag registration fee, GEA residents only, or $399.95 dealer documentation fee. Must print ad to receive quoted price. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors.